Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to lesson 4.12, Multi-Step Division Problems. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can solve problems using the strategy Draw a Diagram. Please pause to write the lesson objective in your notebook. In today's lesson, we're going to be solving a division problem in a multi-step problem. So let's read the Unlock the Problem together and see if we can find the steps. It says, Lucia and her dad will prepare corn for a community picnic. There are 3 bags of corn. Each bag holds 32 ears of corn. When the corn is cooked, they want to divide the corn equally in 8 serving plates. About how many ears of corn will they put on each plate? Well, we need to know this last question here. About how many ears of corn will they put on each plate? We need to know that there are 8 serving plates and there are 32 ears of corn, and each of those are in 3 bags. All right, so what do we need to find? Well, that's what we underlined. We need to find the number of ears of corn that will go on each plate. We know that there are 3 bags, and each bag has, let's go back and look, 32. Each bag has 32 ears of corn in it. And the total number of ears of corn is then going to be divided into 8 groups. And we're going to make a bar model for each step to visualize the information. Then we are going to multiply to find our total, and then we're going to divide to find out how much goes on each plate. This is where we get that multi-step part, because first step is multiply, step 2 is divide. Alright, so let's do step 1 and let's multiply. We have 3 bags. So here's 1, 2, 3 bags. And each bag has 32 ears of corn. So we need to multiply first. 32 times 3. Straight up, 3 times 2 is 6. And then diagonal, 3 times 3 is 9. So altogether, I have 96 ears of corn. Well, then I want to take those 96 ears of corn and I want to split it so that it fits on 8 plates equally. So now I'm going to take 96 and divide it by 8. Well, 8 goes into 9 one time, which is 8, and then subtract, and I'm left over with 1. Bring down the 6. 8 goes into 16 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. I subtract, and I'm left over with nothing, no remainder. So my answer is 12. Each plate is going to have 12 ears of corn on it. So that means each one of these boxes is like a plate, and each plate has 12 ears of corn. All right, then at the bottom we have a couple of questions. It says, how many ears of corn will go on each plate? Well, that's what we figured out in our last bar model right here. If I have 96 corn and I split them into 8 serving plates, then there will be 12 ears of corn on each plate. And how could we check our answer? Well, we could multiply our answer to see if it comes back out. So if we multiply 12 times 8, we should get back to 96 to our answer to see if we're right. Let's check. 8 times 2 is 16, and 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Oh good, I get back to 96. So we could check our answer by multiplying the quotient and the divisor. All right, we will continue the try another problem tomorrow in class. Great job, fourth graders. You're almost finished. When you're sure you understand this lesson and you have everything written down, go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.